Good Wednesday afternoon. It's the Loudoun County Weather Outlook. We're looking at the snow chances for tomorrow, January 2022. Should be in the morning, starting around 7 a.m. and lasting till about 11. So let's look at the maps and see what's actually showing. So here we're looking at the NAM, the North American model, at the higher resolution, which also gives us a shorter amount of hour duration. So if you look up at the top here, you'll see the time moving in the future. So right now we're looking about our time here, and we're moving forward. So tonight, looks right around 11 p.m. We could see some showers of the warm front coming through. That's going to give us a little bit of showers. Then the cold front, as it approaches, is going to break out here some of the rain overnight. And so about 2 or 3, we get the rain coming in. And eventually the cold air is going to catch up to it. And so tomorrow morning, about 6 to 7 a.m., we're going to switch over to some snow. Some light to moderate snow at times. That's why I think it will accumulate some. One, it's got low sun angle. Sun hasn't really come up yet, so we're going to get accumulation that way. Ground temperatures are not going to be super warm, even though some of the rain and the warmth today will help. But everything's ready and willing to accumulate, so we should see that with the more moderate snow. So here we see the snow kind of moving off to the south and east, and then we're out of here by about 11 a.m., honestly. It's all to our east. So what does this look like accumulation-wise for us? Let me show you that. So here, if you watch the time, we'll actually update here to the right. And so we move forward, 4, 5, 6. 6 a.m. is the first time where we could see some snow start to fall, so you start to see it kind of filling in. By 7, it's already accumulated some, more to the south and east than over central and north. And then we move forward, and we now are up to an inch or so into the southeastern part, and then overall, just like some additional snow showers causing the additional accumulation. And here by 11, like I said, it's pretty much over. Shows a little heavier snow off to the south and east where the front still is, and the cold air is caught up to it. So again, this is colder air chasing the precipitation and the warmer air that you need for precipitation. So this is coming down like this, and depending on how they line up will depend on how much snow we get. Sometimes it can burst out a little bit heavier. I would not be surprised if this heavier band is a little bit closer to our area. So a general 1 to 3 inches is probably what will end up showing up. And so that's what I showed. I mean, you pretty much saw it on the map there with the model forecast. Pretty much think it's an agreement. If I show you all the other models, it shows about the same thing. Only about 1 or 2 expected at the top as your most. 2 would be the maximum. Here in the southeast, 1 to 3. I still say 1 because there could be places that are warmer or don't get the most precipitation. But it looks like areas just close to the border could get up to 3 inches of snow in some spots. So that's why I put that there. So hey, that's your quick look at the chance of snow tomorrow, what the timelines look like, and hopefully this was helpful. Please let me know. It's been your Loudoun County Weather Outlook for the snow forecasted for January 20th, 2022. As of now, it looks like the weekend's just going to be cold and dry. All the snow looks like it's going to stay south and far southeast. And it's far southeast Virginia, northeast North Carolina, and an ice storm down the Carolina plains near the coast. Kind of an interesting setup, but not coming up this way. Have an awesome rest of your Wednesday.